Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Luqman al-Zahrani with my friends Ziad al-Ghamdi and Walid al-Abdi. Today we talked about our visit to Arabian Ceramic, our guidelines, company background, objective to visit, expected findings, SWOT analysis, opportunity of improvement, and finally conclusion. Arabian Ceramic. Arabian Ceramic is considered one of the biggest ceramic tiles manufacturers in the Middle East. Located in Al-Khumra, district south of the Jeddah. The company produces approximately 16 million meter square meters with 4 production line. Is spread over the area to 100,000 meters square. Objective visit. The goal of the visit learn about ceramic manufacture system and understand the weld process, how the effective the efficiency and the productivity and the planet. Also to observe particular part of the industrial engineering and the planet. Now my friends Ziad will talk about the expected findings.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ziad al-Ghamdi. Today I will represent the expected findings and observation. Before I started, we built our headlines based on some points that we noticed during the visitation. Firstly, we expected to see the transaction of the raw material and products and how they deal with with changes. So we have found that they had multiple local suppliers. They import their materials from. However, as for the chemical raw materials, they got it from a global supplier. Secondly, during the visitation, we have observed a lot of rework happening among the process. Also, they have no pre-inspection to the raw material quality, which may cost them a lot of money and times. However, they have some advanced machines to detect the defects, simulate the bigger machines in a lab, and make sure that the process working perfectly. Finally, since the maintenance department have a crucial role in the manufacturing, we expected them to have some preventive maintenance for machines. However, we have found malfunction in some machines during the time of the production, and this indicates poor maintenance response. As for the SWOT analysis, firstly, the strength they are locally manufacturing, and also they have automation for some process, and they don't have to recycle all of the raw materials. As for the weakness, they have the safety is too weak in the facility. Also, they have slow maintenance response and lack of marketing and promotional tools. And now we will continue the SWOT analysis with my colleague Al-Walid.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Al-Walid, and I will talk about the rest of the SWOT analysis, beginning with the opportunities. Opportunities in this company is they should go for aggressive advertising to ensure better awareness, because they have a weakness in their promotion tools and advertising. And secondly, they should tie-ups with the construction companies can help boost their business. The threat, the company has a lot of competitors which are offer much lower prices for their products. That will be a huge threat to their products. And secondly, which we talk about is the lack of skilled personnel. As for opportunities of improvement, the first thing we're going to talk about is maintenance response system, which provide decision support to supervisor and their team. In this system, you will get blind-wide insight into the health and performance of the organization physical assets, plus the fully informed context to determine the best course of action. Maintenance response system offers a single window of access to the most up-to-date information on plant-wide assets condition, including plant-wide insight into the health and performance of physical assets. Awareness of undesirable, this is the first one. The second one is the awareness of undesirable conditions. The third one is triggers targeted actions to respond proactively to emerging problems. Organize the workplace is the second opportunity of improvement, which can enhance the productivity in any environment to ensure there is a well-organized place for everything from material to machine tools and documents. When organizing the work area, you must think about the layout of the machining equipment and tools and whether they currently maximize efficiency. If not, consider rearranging the manufacturing floor to create a smoother workflow. There are many techniques in this area to improve, such as 5S method and value stream mapping. Finally, the conclusion and our recommendation. At the end of this site visit and experiencing real working space and the environment of ceramic manufacturing, we realized that working at the site is much more different and more difficult. This site visit gave us a chance to experience and learn what we cannot be gained during lectures or courses. One of the first things that we have learned is understanding the importance of safety, which is a basic of any plant, because of all dangers exist on site. Furthermore, we have learned many things by identifying different types of raw materials and their uses. Also learning a lot about methods that are used in the ceramic manufacturing, plus many by talking and asking questions to guiding team who were guiding us at the site. Finally, this site visit helped us to understand what we are going to face in the future as an industrial engineers, and giving us better understanding about ceramics manufacturing manufacturing. In overall, it was a great experience for us. We learned a lot, and thank you for listening.